About tomato. See. Okay, yeah, guys, welcome back to the new stream today. So this is basically, yeah, episode 4. Yeah, yesterday was episode 3, still on React Native. And yeah, for now we'll be kind of working mostly on React Native, because we kind of did a lot mostly on Flutter for some time now. So we just switched to React Native. Yeah, I think so most of you that were with me yesterday, so you remember that we just completed the whole create account screen, and also so we worked on create account screen. After that, we worked on terms and conditions screen, and we worked on sign in to your account screen. And today we'll be working on the reset password, and like these 3 screens. So we'll be trying to complete that today, and maybe hopefully work on the home screen too. So that's the plan for today. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue with the developments. So guys, before we start coding, so if you haven't subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed to my Twitch channel and also my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and follow along. And also on my social media handles, Instagram, LinkedIn, and also on Twitter. Yeah, just also you are welcome to follow me up there. So let's see actually what we did. So go to sign in. Yeah, it takes us here. Okay, so we just work on this right now, and I will go ahead and create a new screen. Let's call this see on that sign up. Yeah, let's call this reset password. txx. Yeah, reset password .txx. Let's add screen at the back. Just right here, just go to add a view component and import this. Before we head over to adding it onto the navigation page stack, so just let's add a dummy test right in here and import this too. Just say something like So there we go. Let's just move this. So when you tap on this, so make it possible that when you tap on this, it should just take you to that screen. It should somewhere. Where is it again? Where is it again? Where is it again? No, okay, in this place. So first of all, I'm going to copy this, make a duplicate of this, and paste it here, and then I'm going to go back to the set. Let me see. Yeah, the set password screen, and copy the name again. Head over here and change all this stuff. Change this, and then change the components to be actually the reset password components, and go ahead and import this. So go ahead and save it. What else do we need to do now? Okay, we can just start making use of this inside our sign-in screen. So we have the auth switch test. Where is it again? So I'm looking for this test, this forgot password test. Okay, yeah, there we go. So I'm going to say when this is called, when unplus is called on here, so just basically go ahead and call navigation dot navigate, and I'm going to pass where we want to navigate to, which is going to be this screen. Yeah, the set password screen. And also, guys, are kind of like for a new update on React Native. So previously we are creating this wrapper for creating an unpressed custom button, because in React we have a button, but the button kind of is not easy to style. So what we do is just basically move ahead to create a custom button by using touchable opacity and other stuff. But there's a better API that you can actually use, layout API, and that is called pressable, and that should be this. So it's a new API. So instead of using the touchable, I prefer maybe use this one, because this has a whole lot of callbacks to use. So you have the unpress out, unpress in, long press, and press out. So if you're familiar with Flutter, so if you have worked with Flutter, you understand more about that. So all these stuff like unpress, long press, and other stuff. So let's leave this and just head over to what we're actually doing today. So if we head over here and tap on this forgot password, you see it took us to the forgot password screen. So we just start styling those stuff up. So first of all, we want to add this button right here. So we're just going to copy it from the previous screen that we did. So we added similar stuff. So we're just going to copy that out. Most of this will be actually be copy and paste that we'll be doing, because we already did this in other screens. So no need of repeating trying to do it from the beginning again. So I'm going to copy the button from sign in screen, which should be let me see. Okay, not on sign-in screen. It should be on terms and conditions screen. Yeah, remember. So it should be here. Okay, I see something. So it makes sense to actually convert this button to a single to be, I'm trying to say, to be a reusable widget, because right here, if you just copy this code again and paste it here, so it'll be duplication of the same functionality and the same code, which doesn't make any sense. So just copy this out. Understand? Let's copy it out and then move on to the component section. And over here I'm going to say back btn, and in there I'm going to say back btn .txx. Yeah, just paste those stuff here. Go ahead and import all this stuff. Okay, let's see, there's something else we need to add. So we need to add a style. Let's first of all import style sheet. So back button, so copy the style from here. There we go. Then import this icon. I think that should solve this. One more thing. Let's add our type. Block T here. I'm going to say back button blocks. In there, you're going to have an unplus that returns a void, a function that doesn't return anything. And in here, I'm going to say type of the props to expect should be FC. Actually add the children props to React node. And I'm going to say in here type should be back btn props, and then I'm going to say props. Use that to access whatever we want to access, or we could just actually go ahead and do this, destructure this, and get hold of the unplus and get hold of the children prop. In here I'm going to remove this. Okay, yeah, so just add that. Save this, head over here. So we're going to replace the one we have here with it. Copy this, and remember we removed the one that exists in here, so I'm going to remove this entirely. For now, just keep it until you're done with this. Just paste, then import this, and then the unplus, just pass in this. There we go. And then you can just go ahead and delete this. You don't need it anymore. That's no longer needed. Okay, let's see if there's something else we need to fix. I could actually test this out to see if it's actually working, and make sure we didn't introduce any bug. Let's go back. Yeah, so terms and condition. Yeah, that's still working. So just go back to sign in again, go straight to the reset password screen, and then we just start working on that. So I'm going to add the same back button that we added here. Just add that. Okay, import this. Add a style property. Let's add a style to style sheet. Save that. So we can't see any effect right now because we haven't added it on this view. So we should just let us tell this view that it should use this style to style itself. Yeah, and that's taking effect. I think if you tap on this, yeah, it goes back. So no, okay, yeah, tap, goes back. So let's take a look again on the design we have. So we added this back button, so we have to add this text that says reset password. That will be the same like this one there. Updates that we're missing. Most of these could have, if you look deep, we could just convert most of this to a reusable component. There's a whole lot of them we could convert to reusable components. Maybe later on we can do some refactoring on our code to convert some there. So we have this test, but we need to call it reset password, and just go to our hard-coded test. We want to add another one for this reset. Just call that reset password. Yeah, reset password test 1. I think that makes more sense. Yeah, if you just call it reset password test 1. Guys, drop your comment on the chat section. Chat guys, just drop it there. I will just interacting with everyone. I'm more active right now everywhere since YouTube are trying to be they have been misbehaving lately. So just both on YouTube and everywhere, just let me know. Drop your comments if you need if you have any question or something like that. So reset password test 1. I'm going to call that reset password. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Reset password. And the next test under this, we have this particular test here. Say something like so we should say enter the email, because it's the same test that we have here. See, enter the email associated with your account, and we send you an email to reset your password. Okay. enter the email. With your account, and we type this out. So say we will send you an email to reset your password. We will send you an email to reset your password. Yeah, I think the tests are matching now. Okay, let's go ahead and use this. Stay inside here. Call this to be 2. Duplicate this and call this test 2. Still enter. Font size, just keep that at 13. Font weight, reduce that a bit to 400, or let's say 500. Margin top, just leave it this way. Pattern left, yes, still leave it that way. So if you see, but we need to change the color. For the color property, we use our hard-coded gray color that we have here. Let's go straight to the color. Let's say color should be custom colors dot this. Save that, and there we go. Yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah. So under it, just add the input test that we have been using. So let's copy that over. Use that in terms and no, we didn't use that. Like a sign-in screen, we use those. I'm going to copy this one. Use it at that screen. Okay, something went wrong, so let's fix this. Yeah, so there we go. So we have this. It should say email and not. So let's go to the definition. Okay, this should say so placeholder. Yeah, just say email. Let's placeholder 4. We change that. Like we just see, it says email right now. Next is to add a margin bottom to the terms test to say margin bottom. Okay, that's a bit too much. Let's try I think this is okay. Leaving it at 4. Just leave it at 5. Let's try leaving it at 5. I think that will also make sense. Yeah, leave it at 5. Because if you look over here, you could actually see yeah, trying to see if these are in order. Actually, the design we have. Okay, yeah, there we go. So the next is just to add the button. That should be the last one we have to do here. I'm going to head over here. Let's say copy that, head over here, paste that below, then import this. There we go. You can see the button showing up here. Let me see. Navigate shouldn't be. It's just. Where's that? The test shouldn't be this. Let's change the test to say something different. That should say send password. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay. Yeah. And next we can actually position this at the center. I'm going to use style property. Okay. See how we can actually style that. This can actually okay. See if this can actually have a style property, because I know there's no props on it that says style. I can just add a property. One thing we can actually do to add a space between this and this, we could make use of an empty view. Yeah, I think that we could use that to add spaces over there. I could actually make this to actually have a style too. Let's say go to source definition, and I'm going to say style. So style can be anything, and over there, get hold of it. Instead of passing this single style here, I'm going to pass on an array of styles. Then I'm going to say props dot style, yeah, in there, and now we can actually access that. I'm trying to think. Yeah, we can access that and then use that in here to style this more. Say style. So say margin top. Yeah, that's working. Let's reduce that a bit. So around 4. What about 3? Yeah. Let's give it that 2. And next is just to position that within the center of the screen. Wait a second. So now in CSS, we can actually do something like this to position something in the screen. Just say margin 0 and author. This, let's say, the margin already accept a number. Okay, yes. As I know in CSS, you can actually use margin 0 and something like author to position the whole stuff at the center. But I don't think we can actually use something like align self center. Yeah, so yeah, that works. So use align self center to position the button in the center, because we need it to actually look exactly like what we have here. So let's take a look at what I've done so far. So we have the list, the back button, we have the reset password test, and we have the sub test that tells the user what to do, and we have the input box that's actually working. Next we have the button that sends, we could tap on and send something back, but if you look, you could see there's an issue. So if you tap on this, tap outside, it goes away. But over here, if you tap on this, taps outside, nothing happened. We can actually fix that up. See. Okay, just go ahead and import this so I can actually fix the errors that we're having. Yeah, so import keyboard too. And now if you tap on this again, tap outside, the keyboard should, let me see, okay, yeah, the keyboard should go away. So actually make this and I'm going to say width 100%, height, screen height, and then if you tap, okay, just look for this. I think that's it. Let's see what else we need to work on. So we worked on this. So the next will be check your email once the user is done adding that password here. So we should actually show them something like this. Check your email. I don't think in this case that we actually need to create a new screen for this. We could just update the same screen that we have here to actually show up these details. Yeah, I think that what we will do right now. So in here, I'm going to create a new view. For this confirm view, so I'm going to style this up. The name confirm view, and inside the confirm view, so there we go. So call it confirm view. Okay, I see. Let's go ahead and comment this part out now, just for testing out. Yeah, just leave it empty at the moment. So let's go ahead and add this. So the first thing we're going to add is this email icon. So let's get hold of this icon from somewhere and add it here. Remember, we get our icon for Ionic. I'm going to say email. I'll say envelope. Yeah, so you can use any of this icon we see here right now. So I can just use this one. I think we just use this. And I'm going to say icon. In here, the name. What just happened? I think we just copy the name right now. import this. And I'm going to add a color. Let's add a color property to that. I want the color to be same color that we have here. Add background color. So I'm going to say custom colors dot this. Yeah, so this should be it. Format that, save this. Okay, for some reason we are not seeing this. Let's add a size property. Let's say the size should be somewhere like 23. Okay guys, let's try and see. Let's try. Come on, so we added an icon here, but we can't see our icon. Or maybe that's actually from us. Let's try something different. Okay, yeah, so we can actually see that showing up here. Yeah, the icon is somewhere at the top. So this, I'm going to position this at the middle of the screen. And how do we do that? So I'm going to say align self center, and then I'm going to bring it down from the top, divided by 2. Yeah, I think 2 is too much. Let's say no way. Let's try. Yeah, so just leave it at that point. And the parents for this icon, so this icon will have a parent view. So let's change it back the color property again to what it was before, and then basically change the color view. Use a view as the parent. See what we need to do here. And I'm going to call this to be, yeah, use a start property. I want to say stars dot call that icon wrapper. I think that makes more sense. And then over here, style the icon wrapper that we just added. And I'm going to say height not 100. The height will not be 100 because we're trying to create this exactly. So create this background behind the icon. So let's say around 60, and width is, come on, the width is, we should be 60, and then add a background color. Yeah, you can see that showing up. Nice one. And I'm going to say border radius. So I'm going to say border radius should be 20. I think that's too much. Let's keep it at 12 or 13. Next, we are going to position each children inside. I'm going to say align items center and justify content center. Yeah, and I can increase the size of these male icon, but it looks like the male icon is not looking good. Let's try font awesome. Font awesome. So there's a bunch of them, yeah. What do you guys think? Is there anything that came to your mind? Yeah. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I think I found it. So this one make more sense. Just use this. Hopefully we can actually find that in here. So we're going to change our icon from Ionic, because currently right now we are using Ionic icon. Just change that to font. What did I do? So yeah, change that to font awesome. Then go ahead and copy this. Just copy the name. Okay, so there's an issue right now. Font awesome is not showing up. So because we are trying to get font awesome font awesome to actually display this icon for us. That's the only place we found this particular icon, so that's what we are trying to do right now. And for some reason it's not actually showing up, so let's check if there's something. Not this, go back. See if there's a step that we're missing. Let's check out to see what font awesome did we add actually. Let's see the font awesome that we added. I can actually find out that through inside iOS. Go straight to and in here, yeah, info.plist, because we added this somewhere inside info.plist. So I added just font awesome. Yeah, it should show up. For some reason it's not showing up. So I'm using font awesome. Yeah, I'm using the icon name. Yeah, let's try restarting our app to see if that's the case here. Still not showing up. Oh, come on. So we actually the one. Okay, so we got this to show, but that's not what we want to show. I want to show the one that says envelope open and then dash test. Okay, that's not showing. Let's try some stuff. Nothing. I think the issue will be from the naming. I guess so. Because we saw the envelope one and that opened up. It looks like we're going to use this one only. That's the one we are showing right now. To show. Let's increase the font size of this to say 34. No, 34. And then take a look over here. Where is it again? Okay, yeah, there we go. So somewhere a bit. Okay, we have this to increase the border radius around this. So let's say we give it a border radius of somewhere around 19. Let's try round it up to 20. Yeah, I think that looks much close to what we have here. Yep, I think that should be it for this. Let's see what else we need to do. So we're able to add this. We need to push it up a bit. And I'm going to use some use state here to actually do some computing. Get use state. This start being false. Yeah. We don't want to show both of them at the same time. And to hide one and show one. Yeah, so let's try to get this. So looks like we're going to have two wrappers right now. So in here, I'm going to paste this in. Okay, there we go. Next I'm going to move this out of here. For this input container. I'm going to say if is link so if its link submitted is true, go ahead and show this particular view, copy that out. Else show this. Yeah, so because if you set this to true right now, it's going to show the second one. Yeah, so there we go. Let's say there's something else we need to actually change. Let's revert back to false. I want to check something. Maybe we didn't, to make sure we didn't break anything. Yeah, that's correct. We didn't break anything. So set this to true, so we can move back to the second view, which should be this. And so working on that, should be this. So push this a bit up, shouldn't be so down. So should say confirm 6 to 5.5. Okay, so I think it should be okay this way. Next is basically add a test under it. So this test, I say check your mail. We have sent all those tests. Let's start hard coding them right here. So the set password 3 should say check your email. Yeah, check your email. And next we set password 4. And that should say we have sent a password reset to your email. So let's see, we have sent a password reset to your email. Another one, just call that to be reset password test 5. Gotta open email app. Let's just say didn't get an email, take spam folder or try again. So didn't receive, this didn't get an email. So say didn't get an email. Okay, we already have these 2 tests. We just remove one. Check your spam folder. So check your spam folder. Or okay, comma. So we have the or statement. And the next test under it should just say try again. So let's go ahead and implement this. Start from test 3. Yeah. Okay, now this should say something different. Okay, now so it should say the set password, yeah, 3. Yeah, check your email. That's basically what it should say. Let me see. So the next one under it should say another test, or If you look, we are trying to get this, so align, get all this stuff here aligned on this column width. So that's what we're trying to do here. And the next one should be a button. Just copy the same button, paste it in there below the whole text. Save this. Let's see. Okay, right now let's go work on that confirm style. So I'm going to say flex direction. Boom. Okay, now basically it should be yeah. Let's see, let's make sure we're actually starting the right stuff. So because this should be the parent of the whole view, yeah, and inside there we have other separate views. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's good. So that's basically what we're looking for. Align, centered. Let's get the first text to actually look like this. Okay, we can just use this text style on it. Just apply this text style on it, and it will just take the same styles dot this. Yeah, take your email and let me see. Yeah. Okay, so make this to be 4. That's 4. So it can be easy to style. So let's go down here and start styling this up. So test 3. Okay, let's see what else we need to do. The same, paste it in here, call that test 4. And use the size, the font width to 400. Keep it sharp, keep it at 600, or change the color, drop T. Yeah, leave it at that. Let's see. If you look at what we got so far, you can see it's actually taking a bit shape of that. But right now let's try to add the remaining text that we have. So it should be 2 more tests under the button. And this should be saying 5, and this should be saying 6. So if you save that, okay, we made a mistake. So the button should be saying 5, while this should be saying 6, and then this should be saying 7. Yeah, There we go. No, we're still missing some stuff up here. Yeah, so 5. So this, yeah, so here we go. First of all, let's try style these two. So actually take the of this font size, color, and all those stuff. So I'm going to name these different styles, the two buttons. So I'm going to call this style 5, style 6. So if you head straight down here, test, I'm going to say this, I'm going to say tester 5, tester 6, enter, font size should be 12, and also this. Okay, I think we are good to go. And change the color of the last one to be admin. Yeah, so there we go. Should have that color. So if you take a look over here again, you can see everything is coming to shape. Just what we need to do right now is just to space them out evenly, not actually evenly, and just give them a bit of space on each other. So I'm going to say icon wrapper. The icon wrapper, I'm going to give it a margin bottom, say around 20 pixels from the bottom. Yeah, I think 20 pixels. Let's try 25 pixels. I think that's okay. And the text under it should have its own margin. That should be this, if I'm right. Let's say margin bottom. Let's say 20. Okay, not the right text to actually edit. We are doing it on the wrong text. See, that should be test what again? Okay, test 3. So these are test 3. So margin bottom. Okay, that's too much. I think this should be okay. So 1 5 1 8. Okay, next is just to add the same to the next text under it. And do the same to the button. I think that should be it. So if you go back again to the design we have, I think we just completed that. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. So tap on any of this, back, move, and if you just basically toggle this force back to force, and see that taking the shape and toggle it back to true, should see it taking the shape too. And that's what else we need to add. So right now we need to implement this modal. So this modal pop-up, we need to add that at the sign in screen, because once the user confirms that password, we should take them to the sign-in screen and shows this pop-up to them. So that's what we'll be doing right now. So let's see. Okay, inside the sign-in screen. So in here, we're going to be adding a modal. I think there should be a modal component in React Native. Okay, there's one here. Let's try using that. So let's try this. So I just added this modal, copied it over. Let's try input command. Don't need this path. Move that. This path, and then import this. And then for now, we're just going to set this to true at the moment. These ones are going to comment them out. We don't need them at the moment. Go ahead and save this. We are getting some errors. Okay, I think I know the reason why we're having this error. So I'm going to remove this. Move it in here, or somewhere down below. Got other section. There we go. Okay, okay, there's a modal showing up right now, but it's actually covering the screen. I think that's what's going on here. Let's see. Okay, the modal should also have a closing tag, and there should be a view inside it. Okay, so we're actually the one doing the wrong thing. Yes, I should have a closing tag for the modal. Yeah, something like this. And then in there, I'm going to have a view. And inside the view, let's see what we're going to add. Let's add a test for now. Okay, then that shows somewhere up here. This will be for the modal, I guess so. So for the modal, I'm going to say center view, but I'm going to call this modal view. Modal view. Yeah, just use the style property, and I'll just say styles dot modal view. Hopefully this kind of like helps you to style this. Just move everything in there. Okay, move it in here. Okay, and let's try adding a height property for it. Say width. Let's see. Move what we just added in here into here, and I'm going to copy this, add it to the inner components of the model. That should be start this. Yeah, that makes sense. So this is what we are actually looking for. So let's see. So let's bring it down for now a bit. Okay, yeah, I think we are good, almost there. And let's try reducing the height of the model. Let's try somewhere around I'm trying to get this actually style be up to what we have, like at least the design we have here. Yeah, this design. So that's what I'm trying to get to. Try to see the height. We need to picture the height. Say that should be around 100 and something or 200 pixels. Let's try 250, and I'm going to push that down. Okay, that's too much. Let's say 1.5, half of this. No, 0.5 somewhere. Okay, let's keep it this way. Then extend the width property. Come on, see. Oh, okay. No. Um, let's leave this at 70. I think that would make sense. And I'm going to add border reduce of somewhere around 20. Yeah, somewhere around 20. I think that works. Okay. Let's change the color to white. Say background. We already added background color and we made it black previously. I'm going to change that to white. Let's see if we actually have a white color. Okay, we don't. Yeah. Yeah, so that's basically what we're looking for. The first icon within it should be start placing our icon in here. So in the creative view property. Okay. This is going to be an icon. Let's see. Let's see. I think we created a similar icon previously, so I'm going to go ahead and copy most of that code. Okay, see, so this is what we're trying to copy. Just copy this code, and the icon is basically check mark. Imported this. Yeah, so we got this icon that we added here. Let's see what else we need. I want to see if there's a way to actually make this icon bold. So under it, I'm going to add a test, a hard-coded test. And the test is basically going to say something like, say, a password was successfully updated. Yeah, password was successfully should be updated. That should be it. Yeah, so that's basically what we're looking for, and I'm going to go ahead and style this up. Yep, password success test. Head down here. Let's increase the font size. Let's say 15. Yeah. As if you look over here, if you guys look, take a look. What was this? Yeah. So actually see that's a bit bold. Um yeah. Just get the text to align center when everything is too small. 25. Okay. Let's keep on increasing the font size a bit. Let's see. Okay, and then yeah, let's give it a choose 20 pixels as the margin top. Okay, that's too much. Okay, let's see guys what else we need to do here. Okay, after this we need to add a button. add a button to it. Let's get a button. Yeah, just copy this and just change the text. And the text will just say something like got it. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see, because the button looks like it should be a bit small, smaller than this. Okay. So how do we pass the style? Yeah. Let's try the style property that we have before. Okay, yeah, that worked. Then let's give it a margin top. Let's try somewhere around. Okay, think that should do. Yeah. Okay, I think we are good to go here. Let's cross check what we have done so far. With both designs side by side and see sheet. So yeah, we created this. So that matches up. Got 8. Okay, yeah. I think we are good. Yeah, we are good. Let's see what else we need to do. Maybe just tomorrow we continue. Let's take a look at the API plus for this model and see if there's something that we could just tweak with it. Say sliding. So animation type should be fade in. So let's use fade in for the animation. Yeah, keep it at fade. Let's see what else. Okay, there's also other stuff you could have added to actually get this style. So there's a full screen, takes covers the whole screen. We have page sheets. I think somewhere maybe around here, and then we have form sheet and overflow screen. We could actually try those. Status bar translucent. So the transparent, we set it to true. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's say when someone touches outside of this screen, let's say we set okay, in that case we need to import use state to keep the state of the model. To say use use state right somewhere under here. So say something like model visible, set that to somewhere, use that somewhere here. For now it's false, so that goes away. Set that to true. Yeah. So that comes up. And we could actually say, okay, when someone taps outside, let's try this. Dismiss, call dismiss, and also call set model visible to false. Okay, that didn't work. But now we can actually do the same by saying okay, I can move this out of here. Reset the whole change that we just made, and then move this back in here. Comment this out and make use of this in here. So right now if you tap over here, it goes away. I can go back, and then I could just restart. Let's see. Okay, see how they were able to dismiss the model. If there's a way to dismiss it while tapping outside. It should be called on tap outside dismiss model. On tap outside dismiss model React Native. Okay, let's try some our code in here. So you said that we need to pass in a code to this function called this function here. So let's start our app first. There we go. Should set it to false. Yeah, so I think there's no actual way to do that. Yes, let me see. Okay, I see what he did here. So he used touchable opacity on the whole screen, and okay, on press. Okay, I see. So we could actually say yeah, modal view. If we remove this modal view, it does nothing for us. So why not replace it with touchable opacity? Go ahead and import this. So just replace it to touchable opacity. Let's add touchable opacity in here. Yeah, there we go. And I could say on press right here, just call a function. The function we want to call is basically set modal visible to false. And you can actually see that working. Let's try that again. I'm trying to wrap the whole stuff with a touchable opacity and kind of like increase the height and size of it, so whenever we touch somewhere that looks like outside the screen, it should just close. So that was basically I'm trying to do right here. So just touching outside should close it, but for some reason that's not working. Let's take a look at this again. Yeah, let's try bringing it inside. We're just going to move this out of here and move it inside. See how that looks. It looks like I'm going to wrap the whole stuff. Okay, wrap the whole stuff inside with it. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, that's working fine. So if you tap outside anywhere, it goes off. Let's see. Yeah, let's try this one more time, and we can call it a day. Yeah. Tap on this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we'll be stopping here for today. So today we were able to actually finish the UI for the authentication flow and login flow, everything concerning authentication and login, and we were able to finish that today. And hopefully tomorrow we'll just pick up a back end. I'm thinking of using AWS So tomorrow we pick up an AWS service and use that to build the back-end authentication and other stuff, then continue with the other part of the app, which should be the front end and the product display page. Yeah, so yeah, let's come over here tomorrow and work on this. So I'll be leaving that, guys. So guys, if this is your first time joining me and you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to the channel and keep in touch. There will be more of this we'll be doing here. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow, and let's continue from where we stop. Thank you.